Hey Matt, Paul Heck with Grassfire. Just want to show you some things about the website for Hogbox that can help you guys get some more calls. Just some things that I'm seeing. I'll look at your competition, show you what they're doing, and just really picking at one category of what you guys do. So looking forward to hearing more about that, all the services you guys provide. But right now, I'm going to focus on dumpster rental because there's a lot of search for that in Northwest Arkansas. And I know that's one of the things that you guys do. One thing just right off the bat that I would do on the website would be add the phone number in a clickable box somewhere up at the top, just so that's real visible. Also having that throughout the website. Another thing I see is just needing more content on your website with the keywords in there that people are searching for. So that's going to be something that you definitely would want to add. And we can talk more about that as well on how to do that. But just right now, when I type in dumpster rental Fayetteville AR, you've got a couple of people running sponsored ads up here. That may be something that you want to look at. We can definitely help you with that as well. But, what we're trying to do is we're trying to rank you in this map section. That's going to be a lot of the work that we do with the Google Business Profile. And then also in the organic section down here, where you see waste management, even the city of Fayetteville and these dumpster dudes are hitting the top 3 spots. So let's look at just some of those things. I also did like ground level storage containers, just type that in. It's more of a national keyword because it's not here locally. But again, you see Hug and Haul is running some sponsored ads. This Mobile Modular is also running sponsored ads. So that may be one of the ways that we pick up some of that search effort as well. And then you guys are ranking organically down here, which is great. So you just might need to look at is a PPC campaign going to be something that can really help you in that category? But let's look at just what your website's doing right now. You guys have a 4.3 rating and an 8 rating on your URL. That's pretty low as far as how strong your website is. So this is a program that allows me to see that strength. It also shows me how many other websites are linking to yours and where those are coming from. And then how many keywords you're being found for. So keywords can be anything. You want to be real strategic on what those keywords are. And then we want to strengthen those keywords up by getting additional backlinks to you. So it's all about content on your website, backlinks, second thing. And then third thing is the citation. So that's more like a directory listing on, yellowpages.com, that sort of thing. We can help you with those as well because we do all that together to strengthen your website. Looking at the actual keywords that you're being found for, I've got your site popped in here. You're being found for Fayetteville dumpster rental. You're in position 47. Nobody's going to find you. That's 150 searches a month for that, but you're really low on that. Waste management, Fayetteville AR, dumpster rental, Fayetteville AR. There we go. You're in position 16, so you're way down on the first page. You're being found for a lot of different keywords, which are good. We just need to strengthen a lot of these with both additional content and building a backlink profile that's stronger than your competitors. So dumpster rental Rogers AR, you're in position 79. Dumpster rental Fayetteville 32. Container companies near me, you're in 99th position. So doing all those things with the content and the backlinking is going to really help you push these different keywords up. Let's look at, dumpster rental Fayetteville. You've got waste management, Fayetteville, the city of Fayetteville's program, and these dumpster dudes are all in the top 3. So I'm going to look at some of their sites. Of course, the city of Fayetteville site is going to be strong just because it's a city site, but doesn't mean it can't be beat. So looking at just their page, they're really ranking off of just a little bit of content and the strength of their overall page. So we would dig in here and really go after how do we beat those guys. Looking at dumpster dudes, they've got a really nice website as far as the content level that they have. That's why they're ranking really high. That's something that we're going to need to add and modify on the Hogbox site just to, get the content level up to be equivalent to these guys. Because Google's trying to rank you who is the authority in my space and how am I going to promote them? And so it's a combination of that content and those backlinks. But nice site that they have, lots of content, and we want to go get at least a matching level of content, and usually more. That's just better. Looking at their website, dumpster rental Fayetteville AR, they're in 4th position. Dumpster rental Rogers 4th position. Bentonville 4th position. They've really gone after this on the SEO perspective. Really not hard to rank. If you look at this green section here, that's the keyword difficulty. So it shouldn't be too hard to get in the 1st, 2nd, or 3rd position for these particular keywords. For those services. And just looking at the overall strength of their site, they're at a 16 on the domain rating, 4.5 on the URL. You can see they have fewer backlinks. They just have stronger, better backlinks. So it's not necessarily a quantity thing. But just looking at, there's another one, Fayetteville Dumpster Rental. You can see there's another sponsored ad running right there. So sponsored ad would get you right at the top immediately, but it is sponsored, it's pay-per-click. So just got to keep that in mind, figure out what's the best strategy. There's other keywords that we can look at. Just wanted to show you those real quick on what's going on. Again, it's content on your website. We always recommend 1,500 words minimum on your homepage. I usually will create 250 to 300 words per keyword that we're trying to rank on there. So sometimes we can get up into, the 2,000-3,000 words that we're putting on a homepage. Creating back pages that have, again, the content level that's strong enough to beat your competition is going to be key, and work on those keywords in there. So those 3 things, content, your backlinks, and your citations are the things that we need to do to strengthen your website up. But looking forward to talking to you later, and we'll see just what we can do for you guys, what you guys are wanting to do. But just wanted to send that to you real quick, just so you know what we do, how we do it, and what we need to do to your site to start to move it in the right direction against your competition. Appreciate it. Thanks.